So let's discuss plugins in QGIS. So this is the QGIS software. Here's the menu item for plugins. Forget about the Python console, but once I press install plugins, I'm getting a list of all of the plugins. Let's say I came to think that I want to install Anaximander, which is a plugin for auto-drawing 3D shapefiles from topographical survey. I don't even know what it says, but I can test it by installing the plugin. Then I might have a new menu item here under plugins. I might have it because it creates shapefiles. Maybe it came out in the vectors. There it is. Okay. I want to uninstall a plugin. Again, I'm coming here. This is the list of installed plugins. Here is the Anaximander. I can uninstall it. Now, let's say I want a plugin for, I don't know, remote sensing. This is the list of plugins that deals with remote cloud masking. Cloud masking make the masking of clouds. Okay? And actually this is it. Thank you.